Hello friends, in this video we discuss about a power supply. Our growing needs exist today from small concept, reliable, lightweighted and self-contained rigid power supply. Its lifespan is designed and has 200 times more efficiency. These power cells do not rely on a nuclear reaction and chemical process do not produce radioactive waste product. It is the answer for power supply to MMS device envisaging but to be used in medical device and remotely placed sensors. It will make it way to commonly used product like laptop and smartphones. Surely it is batteries of the near of future. Historical development ideas comes in bringing of 1950s as track lab radioisotope electric power systems developed by inventors Paul Brown was a scientist breakthrough a nuclear power Brown first prototype power cell producing 1 lakh times as much energy power gained from straniums 19s the energy source than the most powerful thermal battery yet in existence. The main drawbacks of Mr. Brown prototype was its low efficiency and the reason of that was that the radioactive material decay more than the electrons lost from the semiconductor material. With the achievement of the more regular pitting and introductions batters fuel the nuclear batteries and throw to be the next generation batteries and there is hardly any able doubt that these batteries will be available in store within another decade. Energy produce mechanism. Bat- Batrovoltics, alternative energy technologies that promotes Western extended battery life and power density over current technologies. The function of a behavior device is somewhat similar to a solar panel with convert photons. Batology techniques was used as silicon water to capture electron emitted by a radioactive gas such as titanium. The junctions between two electrons is compromise of a suitable isoables medium expose. It consists of six storage of energy transaction of electrons, irritated p-n junction produce electron hole pair. It decay particularly emitted from our radioactive sources. Stage 2. Next, we will introduce the radioactive sources, say a beta emitted to the system. Stage 3. Further, the beta particle impart a amount of energy in excess of the ionization potential. Stage 4. Next, the electron field present in the junction act as the ion of a drive the electron into electrode A and a Fermi voltage establishment. Stage 5. The Fermi volatile drive electron from the electron A through the loaded where they give up their energy in accordance with the conventional electron theoretical theory. Natural, the electron in electrode A are seek to give up their energy and go back to their ground state. Law of entropy. E3 is equal to EB minus E1 L minus L1 L2, where L1 is the converter loss and L2 is the loss in the electrical circuit. Stage 6, the electron after passing to the load having amount of energy E4 from the load, the electron are then drive into the electrode B where it is allowed to recombine with the junction ion releasing the recombination energy E4 in the form of the heat that complicated the circuit and the electron has returned into the original ground state. The end result is that the radioactive sources act as a content current generation. Then the energy balance equation can be written as E naught is equal to EB minus E1 minus E3 minus L1 minus L2. Direct charging generation. High QLC tank circuit. The primary generation consisting of a high QLC tank circuit composed of radioactive nuclear connector in series with the primary winding of a power transform. The core is fabricated from a mixture of the three radioactive material which decay primarily by emissions and the provider a greater fluid for a radioactive decaying product than the equivalent amount of single radioactive nuclei. Excess energy is transformed to load connected across transform secondary. The sustained oscillations are induced by absorption of radioactive decay energy. Fuel consideration. The major circulation consideration in the selection of our fuel. Evidence of gamma in the decay chain half-life. Particular range. Watch out from alpha reaction. These are the consideration from the fuel. Here you can see on your screen.